First of all, you have to download Oracle VirtualBox. This will automatically install the latest version. If you already know how to install a virtual machine and do the setup, you can skip directly to the installation of ClawBot. After this, install the Ubuntu ISO file. This may take some time. Once downloaded, install Oracle VirtualBox. In this, you will create your virtual machine. Use the default settings. If you are installing on disk C, make sure it has at least 60 GB of free space. This will make usage smoother. Now that Oracle VirtualBox is installed, we will create a virtual machine. Name your machine and remember this name. Select the folder where the ISO file is located. After that, select the ISO file and uncheck the box. Proceed with unattended installation. Next, go to the following menu. From there, make sure the base memory is set to 8GB and processors to 3. This will make the installation and setup easier. These values can vary depending on your PC. After that, click Finish. Now your virtual machine is created. Finally, click on Start, the arrow icon on top. This will start the virtual machine. In the settings of virtual machine, you have to make sure, under the network section, the option Virtual Cable Connected is checked. Now the virtual machine is started. Up will appear. You have to click on the option Try or Install Ubuntu, or simply press the Enter key on your keyboard. This will take some time to load. After that, you have to install the Ubuntu inside the virtual machine. Use the default settings and click on Next, Next. Now when you are creating your account, name your virtual machine, your computer name, your username and password. You have to remember your password as this will be needed in the future. After that, simply click on Next, select your region and click on Install Ubuntu. Here first it will copy files, then install the system. You can also see the progress of the installation in the terminal window. After installing the system, it will set up the system. Now our Ubuntu is installed. After that, you have to restart the system. Simply click on the option Restart Now. Now here you have to enter your password. After entering the password, you will be into your virtual machine. So now simply click on Next, Next and then Finish. So first of all, I will be downloading Chrome as it is easier to deal. After downloading the Chrome, I will install the Chrome for the Windows and then open the settings, and from settings, I will click the Chrome and open it. And then I will sign in my account and then I will be opening my guide doc. So here from, I will open the settings app and change my display settings so that it is easier to view. Here the 16:9 settings is the best for the LED desktop screens. So first of all, I will be updating and upgrading my sudo. Simply run the commands which you see on the screen. After that, install git and then install curl and node.js. These commands will take time. After installing, verify their versions that they have installed successfully. After all this, you have to install the homebrew. Now there are basically two methods to install the homebrew. First of all, option A. Here we will install homebrew normally. Just simply copy the command from their official website and paste it in your terminal. But if you have less resources, you can go to option B. As in option A, all the 10+ year history will also be downloaded. But if you have less resources, you can move to the option B. In option B, it will install only the current version. You have to manually install homebrew and make the directory where the homebrew will be installed. So just run these commands in your terminal. After running these commands, run the command brew version to make sure that the brew is installed. Also run the command brew doctor. It will show you all about the brew. If you use option B to install homebrew, then you have to update your homebrew using brew update force quiet command. You cannot just use command brew update as it will again install all the 10+ history. So run that command and your brew will be updating. Now for installing OpenClaw, I will be using NVM. If you have already installed NVM, you can skip this step. So I will be now installing NVM. Make sure you have installed the latest NVM version. The latest NVM version right now is 22. So I will make sure 22.1 is installed as OpenClaw needed latest version of NVM. After that, I will install the OpenClaw using their command, which is npm ihchsecker. This command is also available on their official website, so it will take some time to install. Now OpenClaw is installed. After this, we will use the command OpenClaw on board to interact with the OpenClaw for all the configurations. So, yes, I understand this is powerful and inherent risk. Press on yes and I will use quick start. As I have already configured OpenClaw, so I will be using existing values. You have to write all your values. So I will be using OpenAI API key and select the model. After that, you have to select the channel from which you will interact with the OpenClaw. So here I am using WhatsApp. So I will link and scan the QR code from my mobile phone and then link devices and then scan. So after that, I will enter my personal number. You have to make sure to enter your personal number along with your country name. After that, I will configure my skills. So I will be using npm. Here I will be setting box skills. So it will take some time to install. After installation, this is your choice if you want to set API key right now or later. So I will simply do no, skip for now and restart. So now this setup is open in my Chrome on my local host. Also, you can go to channels and see my WhatsApp is also connected. So I can interact with OpenClaw using WhatsApp. So now my WhatsApp is configured and I will be using WhatsApp channel to interact with my OpenClaw bot. So here I am using the example and I will be writing suggest me some ideas to free my pastime. So you can see OpenClaw is now answering and our system is now set up. So now we are going to test it with my WhatsApp. So here you have to open your chat, your number on the WhatsApp. I have already done some conversation with OpenClaw. So now we will test it again. So I will be writing, tell me about how can I spend my free time. Suggest me some good shows. So here it is answering me perfect. So in the next video, I will be telling you how to set up GOG skills and other skills in your OpenClaw so that it works like your personal assistant.